Welcome back to Smart Life. Grab your favorite mug of coffee or tea and get comfortable. If you are new here, my name is just your internet friend who loves talking about living a softer and smarter life. Lately, I have been talking to so many of you in the comments and reading your messages. A recurring theme keeps coming up. You are exhausted. You want to build an online income stream, but the mere thought of dancing on camera or posting 10 stories a day makes you want to hide under a heavy blanket. I completely understand that feeling. The modern creator economy feels like a loud and crowded room, where everyone is shouting for attention. It is draining for introverts. Today we are going to explore something I call the quiet income strategy. This is all about earning money online without the relentless pressure to post on social media every single day. We are keeping the cozy vibes only today. Before we get into the strategies, I need to give you my honest reality check. None of these ideas will make you a millionaire overnight. If anyone promises you fast and easy passive income, they are probably trying to sell you a very expensive course. Quiet income takes real upfront work. You are building digital assets. You are planting seeds that will take time to grow. But once they take root, they can provide a steady stream of income while you are resting or reading a book or spending time with your family. Let us talk about the first quiet strategy, which is creating and selling low-maintenance digital products. I am talking about things like Notion templates or printable planners or budgeting spreadsheets. You do the work one time. You design a beautiful and functional product that solves a specific problem for someone. Then you list it on a platform that already has its own traffic, like Etsy. People go to Etsy specifically to buy things. They use the search bar to find exactly what they need. If you optimize your listing with the right keywords, your product can show up in their search results. You do not need to constantly promote it on social media for people to find it. I used to hate the idea of making digital products because everyone made it sound so complicated. Oh, look at me going on a rant already. But seriously, I used to get so frustrated when business coaches would tell beginners to just launch a premium course. It is terrible advice when you have no audience and no energy to do massive live launches. A $5 budget template is so much more approachable. You just make it and put it out there. The platform handles the delivery and the payment. You just wake up to a notification that you made a sale. It is a very peaceful way to earn money. The second strategy is building an evergreen affiliate resource page. This is incredibly simple, but so effective. You are simply organizing things you genuinely love into one quiet corner of the internet. Then you create one single web page on a free site builder or a simple link platform. You list all of your favorite resources on that page. You write a small, honest review for each one. Whenever someone asks you for a recommendation, you just send them to that one page. You can also link this page in your bio or at the bottom of your emails. The key here is that you are not actively pushing products in people's faces every day. You are simply organizing things you genuinely love into one quiet corner of the internet. When people naturally stumble upon it or seek out your advice, they click the links and you earn a small commission. It is gentle and it does not require you to show your face or perform for the camera. Moving on to the third idea, which involves using Pinterest as a search engine. I think a lot of people misunderstand Pinterest. They treat it like a social media platform, but it is actually a visual search engine. People do not go there to see what their friends are doing. They go there to plan their lives. They search for recipes and home decor and financial tips. You can create simple and aesthetic pins using a free tool like Canva. You link those pins to your digital products or your affiliate resource page or a quiet blog post. A single pin can circulate on Pinterest for months or even years. I have pins from years ago that are still bringing me traffic and sales today. You do not have to show your face on the pins. You do not have to engage in the comments section. You just create helpful graphics and let the search algorithm do the heavy lifting. It perfectly fits the quiet income model. The fourth strategy is writing search-optimized articles. Whether you use a platform like Medium or start your own quiet blog, writing is the ultimate introvert-friendly business model. You can share your knowledge and experiences without ever turning on a bright ring light. The secret here is to write articles that answer specific questions people are typing into search engines. Think about the problems you have solved in your own life. Write detailed and helpful guides about how you did it. When you focus on search engine optimization, your articles become little digital employees. They work for you around the clock. When people read your articles, you can earn money through ad revenue or by naturally mentioning your affiliate links. Sometimes I think about how much time we waste worrying about social media algorithms. It is actually ridiculous how much anxiety a simple app update can cause us. We panic because our views are down and we think our entire business is failing. That is exactly why I prefer search-based platforms. They are much slower and much more stable. You are not at the mercy of a viral trend. You are just providing helpful answers to people who are actively looking for them. The fifth quiet strategy is setting up an automated welcome sequence for an email newsletter. This might sound a little technical, but it is actually a beautiful way to build connection without daily effort. You can offer a free helpful guide in exchange for someone's email address. When they sign up, they are automatically added to your list. You can use simple software to write 3 or 4 emails in advance. These emails can share your story and offer more free value, and gently introduce a small product you sell. Once you write these emails and set up the automation, you never have to touch it again. Every single person who joins your list gets a warm and helpful welcome from you. It feels personal to them, but it is completely hands-off for you. It allows you to build trust and make sales on autopilot. You do not have to broadcast your entire life on the internet to make this work. I know this is a lot of information to process all at once. Building quiet income is a slow journey. It requires patience and a willingness to do things a little differently than the loud crowd. If you are sitting there wondering where to begin, I want you to give yourself permission to start small. Just pick the one idea that feels the lightest to you right now. Maybe that is putting together a list of your favorite books for an affiliate page. Maybe it is designing one simple checklist to sell. Do not overwhelm yourself trying to do all 5 things at once. Start with whatever feels easiest and most natural to your personality. You can build this at your own pace. There is no rush and there is no race to win. You are simply designing a life that supports your peace of mind. If you want a little more guidance on this exact topic, I actually put together a free quiet income starter guide. It breaks down the tools I use and gives you a simple roadmap to follow. I will leave the link to that guide in the description box below so you can grab it whenever you are ready. I really appreciate you spending some of your day with me here on Smart Life. I hope this video brought you a little bit of comfort and a lot of inspiration. If you enjoyed this cozy chat, I would love it if you casually hit the subscribe button. It helps our quiet little community grow. Take good care of yourself this week. Drink some water and get some rest. I will see you in the next one. You can use simple software to write 3 or 4 emails in advance. These emails can share your story and offer more free value, and gently introduce a small product you sell. Once you write these emails and set up the automation, you never have to touch it again. Every single person who joins your list gets a warm and helpful welcome from you. It feels personal to them, but it is completely hands-off for you. It allows you to build trust and make sales on autopilot. You do not have to broadcast your entire life on the internet to make this work. If you want a little more guidance on this exact topic, I actually put together a free quiet income starter guide. It breaks down the tools I use and gives you a simple roadmap to follow. I will leave the link to that guide in the description box below so you can grab it whenever you are ready. I really appreciate you spending some of your day with me here on Smart Life. I hope this video brought you a little bit of comfort and a lot of inspiration. If you enjoyed this cozy chat, I would love it if you casually hit the subscribe button. It helps our quiet little community grow. Take good care of yourself this week. Drink some water and get some rest. I will see you in the next one.